Hello and welcome to another Personal Finance Minute where I answer your questions about personal finance in 60 seconds or less. Today's question is, what is compound interest? All right, let's put 60 seconds on the clock and away we go. When your money earns interest in an investment or a savings account and you leave the interest earnings in the account, those interest earnings will start earning some interest too. That's compound interest, the extra interest you earn as your savings or investments grow. Pretend you invested $1,000 and earned 10% interest every year. The first year, you would earn $100, and your investment would now be worth $1,100. The following year, you would earn $110. That's 10 extra dollars thanks to compound interest. It might not seem like a big deal at first, but if you left it alone for 30 years, your $1,000 will turn into over $17,000. In the long term, compound interest can lead to unbelievable wealth. Just ask Warren Buffett. He'll tell you that compound interest is the single most powerful factor behind his investing success. If you just learned something, give this video a thumbs up. This has been a Personal Finance Minute. I'm Andrew Scheer, and I'll see you next time.